Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to show you how to add a Spotify playlist to Notion. To start this tutorial, make sure you open open.spotify.com in your internet browser. And make sure you are logged in as well. On your internet browser, here you are on Spotify. So you can now browse over what you want in the playlist. In here, click on the three dots and then click on Share. This one, the three dots over here. Now on the Share, click on Embed Playlist. Then click on Copy when a window appears. Once done, head on over to notions.so. Then create a channel. Then in here, type in /embed. And then paste the link coming in from Spotify. And then tap on Embed Link this time. And that's it. Over at Notion, you already have Spotify embedded on your browser. Thank you very much for watching this walkthrough tutorial. As always, leave a like, share, and please subscribe to the channel, and while you're at it, leave a comment as well.